ready to jumpstart your summer goals? Let's lay the foundation to weight loss and greet the summer you've been dreaming of by addressing its root cause, organ dysfunction. Introducing an all-new Jumpstart Your Weight Loss. Join Jimmy and Chris alongside hundreds who have not only lost a lot of pounds, but have seen a huge difference in consistency and feeling much better.
My sugar levels, they drop between 100 to 102, something that is making me feel much better and happy.
Pretty exciting. The first day it was pretty significant for me, and then every day since it's just been a pound or a half pound, which has been really fun to see.
The 14-day journey begins May 13th. Get our special offer today for a limited time only. Sign up at divinefarmerhealth.com.